I think with how we're insulting nga, as you said, yung mga Nepo babies, parang they're in the form of memes, ganyan. And I think, in a way, meron siyang function kasi
Okay.
yung memes ay parang napapalipad niya yung balita.
Okay.
Kasi yung, halimbawa, news article, ganyan, may mga magbabasa niyan, pero siguro not as much as kung nakakatawa yung meme, ganyan. So, in a
Yeah.
way, meron siyang ganung function. Pero I agree na parang it's not enough ba na we just attack yung mga may designer bags,
Right,
yung mga may kotse. Syempre, it's so frustrating to see what they do with people's money. Pero at the end of the day, hindi lang naman kasi sila yung nakikinabang at hindi lang naman sila yung parte nung network nga ng corruption na nangyayari. And it can be easy to spend so much of our attention dun sa spectacle of it kasi parang siya medyo mas showbiz vibes nga kasi
Yeah.
syempre
True.
parang
Very.
magaganda yung damit, magaganda yung bahay, parang madali tayong masilaw sa ganyan. Pero totoo nga na we should stay vigilant pa rin na ito ay continuously nangyayari kahit na iniimbestigahan. What if meron din pala sa ibang sectors ng government, ganyan. So it really pays to remember sino ba talaga yung kinagagalitan natin, saan ba talaga tayo galit, ano ba talaga yung punot dulo nung frustrations.
Right.